Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create own stickers on CapCut stickers with photo. So onto this tutorial, we're going to use CapCut mobile in here and then we'll try to create own stickers using our own images. So just click onto new project in here to begin, choosing a video that you want to use. And once you're already onto the editing page to add a sticker, you should be able to find the one here onto the bottom part of the screen. So you'll just need to swipe this one until you find stickers. Click onto stickers in here, and if you swipe here onto the upper part corner of the screen, you should be able to find an option to add in your own sticker. So click onto that icon, and right after, you should be able to add in your own photo. So click onto the photo that you want to use as a sticker, and you should be able to add that one here onto your video. So you could resize this, make this bigger, make this smaller, and to remove this, you could just simply click onto the X button in here. So let's add that one back again in here. If you click onto the circle in here, you could also add in some animation for your own sticker, like this one. And if you click onto this icon here onto the bottom left corner of the screen, it will go ahead and add in another sticker. So you could add as many as you like. And once you're satisfied, you could go ahead and download your video. And that is just basically it, how to create your own stickers on CapCut. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.